George is bringing home a friend who's vegetarian. And so I'm going to rustle up a quiche. And I thought I'd show you how I do it. It's short crust pastry and it gets baked blind. And don't worry about it not being the most beautiful, because that all gets covered over. Here's my mixture, which is loads of different cheeses, eggs and mascarpone. That is the secret ingredient, and add seasoning. But first I'm going to cover the bottom of the quiche with some onion relish for a little sweetness. Let's get that done. Anything sweet would do. This one is a caramelised onion, or you could use cranberry sauce, something like that, just putting a layer on the bottom. Okay, now I am going to layer up the liquid with some cooked onion and mushrooms and pepper. First layer in, then the mixture will go on, and I'll do another layer. If you are making your quiche with the sort of baked custard method, where you've got milk and eggs and you've stirred it and made it go thick and poured it on, you are doing it, dare I say, wrong. This method with mascarpone freezes. The other way won't. This freezes and behaves beautifully, and that's why I'd commend it to you. Next layer is in. Last layers of this is about to go on. Right, this is going in the oven. It'll take an hour. So this is a big one. Here's my hand. And so you can see it's a big dish. This will take an hour, slow, and it will puff. So I'll keep an eye on it, but it will be delicious. And here it is, out of the oven, and I'll show you it cut up shortly. It smells delicious. Large quiche, ready for supper. Roger's homemade coleslaw, potatoes, and randomly I did a gochujang lamb dish. Bon appetit.
Very nice.
Okay, let's see how we do. It's nice.